Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. This time this is a kind of special video because this actually is not a game devlog of my new game Astro Genesis. No, today I want to show you a little bit around in my YouTube dashboard because I think it's super interesting to share some information about this channel on what my CPM is, what my RPM is, and also what my revenue from this channel is. I think this is super interesting also for other game dev YouTubers to see what they can expect if they want to make a channel and maybe get monetized with it. I do not want to gatekeep anything, so here are my bare statistics. This is actually not that good. You see, I got 12,247 views, a watch time of 636 hours, a plus of 55 subscribers, and estimated revenue of about $28. You see, this all is German, and also some comments were, hey, are you German? Yes, I'm German. So actually I use euro for my revenue, but I thought in this case it's interesting to have it switch to dollars. And I can prove this is just normal US dollar because some people just choose a currency where it seems to be pretty high, but no, I do not want to do such things. You can also see in euros, I think it's 23 euros or something like that. 24, nice. Yeah, so it's not really that much. But let me switch back to US dollars. But to be honest, these are just the last 28 days, and you may have noticed that the last 90 days I barely uploaded any videos. We can have a look at the last 90 days now. You see there were no videos at all. I just started posting again like a week ago, and you see in these 90 days I made roughly $112 with 36,000 views, which is not that bad, I guess, and also over 2,000 hours of watch time. But you see it is slowly declining right here. But of course I didn't even upload a thing, and for that I think it's pretty cool. And if you want to calculate it against some asset I have in real life, this is barely my internet fee. So my internet provider costs just about $30 a month, and with that YouTube still pays me this even though I did not upload in the last couple of months. And I think this is pretty interesting. So, but let's have a look at the lifetime, because this is the most interesting stuff, I think. You see, in general, I have 625,000 views with a total watch time of 36,000 hours and reached over 5,600 subscribers, which I think is a lot. So thank you guys for all this support. Now, when looking at the revenue, you see I just got monetized a year ago, roundabout, I think it was June. Yeah, mid of June, I guess. So the comparison between all these views and the revenue isn't that good. So let's switch to a year which roughly makes sense here. So in the last year, I made $975 off of YouTube with, in summary, over 340,000 views. And I think this is pretty okay-ish. Of course, there are YouTubers who make a lot more than me, but I think the game dev niche isn't that good paid, but hey, that's okay for me. We can also dive a bit deeper into that. So the day with the most revenue was this 13 August 2025 with $9.40, and the second one, it was September, the 1st of October with $8.95. And you see, as I uploaded continuously, it was between $2 and $3, and then I stopped uploading, and then it really declined pretty fast. But that's okay. And you also can see that the RPM of all these videos, so all long form content and short form content together, have a RPM of around about $3. And I think this isn't that good, to be honest, because of course this is a lot of gaming, and I think the algorithm thinks this is a gaming channel because of course most topics are about games, but because I'm a game dev and I think these code insertions in my videos or even some Unity tutorials won't help the algorithm that much. So I think YouTube thinks I am a gaming channel, and for that I get a pretty low RPM. And we now can have a look at only the long form content, and you see that the CPM is pretty high with $10.42, but I only get a little part of that. And if we have a look at the short content, then you see, okay, it isn't really that much. It's just $2.79. And here there are no revenue income streams because I do not have anything in my store. I cannot sell anything and also do not have channel membership or stuff like that. You can also deep dive into these videos which are making the most views and maybe also the most money. So this is my what 50 days of game development really looks like video, and it has in summary around about 235,000 views, and this lead to a revenue of $686, which actually is 1/2 of the whole revenue I got from YouTube. That's pretty crazy, and still pays pretty good because this is getting watched constantly. Also, as the next one, the Unity 6 Complete Beginner's Tutorial, even though I got some feedback where users said, hey, this isn't a good video and I think I could do better, so maybe I create a new beginner's tutorial for Unity 6. However, this with 138,000 views got me $456, which is pretty crazy because these two videos are the main income source of this channel, and I don't think this is a pretty good sign, right? And you see, if we go the list even further, I just reordered the whole list. You see all of the videos which have the highest revenue are all tutorials. How to create an idle clicker in Unity, how to create a day and night cycle in Unity, how to create a plant growing system in Unity. And okay, this is a pretty long video, so there are maybe a couple of ads more in this video. This is why this leads to a little bit more money. But the other ones, how to save and load the game data in Unity, how to pass data between scenes in Unity, how to create flickering light, how to... So you see, all these tutorials and technical videos are giving more revenue than these game devlogs, because I think the algorithm still thinks I am a game dev or a game YouTuber, gaming niche YouTuber, whatever. And this is pretty interesting to see. And I thought it's pretty interesting also to deep dive into this video, which basically has over 50% of my revenue. And in general, as I already said, this roundabout has 235,000 views and also gave over 1,800 subscribers to my channel, which is pretty awesome. And there you can see that only one video can change your YouTube career. Okay, this sounds pretty edgy and corny because I do not have a real YouTube career, but I think this really shows that if one video blows up, you can take the chance and make another good video. Even though, which I think is pretty interesting, it took like 76 days until it finally popped, and I think this is crazy. Because look at this chart. You see, okay, the first few days, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, nothing really happened. And at this point, it finally took off, and I think this is pretty crazy. Also the revenue, right? Because I just got monetized, I think at this day or a day after, something like that. And if we have a look at the other video, which basically is a more technical video, you see it has like half of the views the first one got, but 2/3 of revenue, which the first one got. And I think this is because this is a more technical one. This is a little bit more coding oriented and is more in the tech and coding niche instead of the gaming niche. And I think this leads to a little bit higher RPM. We can have a look at the RPM here. It is $3.29, and on the other side it is just $2.85. It isn't that big of a gap in between, but I think you can see a pretty good difference here. But yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you do not want to miss any updates about this channel or my game dev journey, then please feel free to subscribe to this channel, and we will see us in the next video. Bye!